Hello, and welcome to Study Time, your Essay Writing Success Center. Session 1, Essay Outline. Making an outline, a plan that builds an essay. In this session, we are going to look at how to go through the process of developing an essay outline. First, what is an outline? Before you begin writing the first draft of your essay, it is best to make an outline. An outline is a general plan of what you're going to write. You can compare making an outline to drawing plans to building a house. Before one begins to build a house, it is best to draw up plans to make sure that a house is built in the way you want. The same is true with writing an essay and making an outline. The benefits of an outline. An outline of an essay can be very helpful for two reasons. An outline will help make your essay more organized. A careful plan will help your body paragraph stay focused on the ideas in your thesis statements. An outline saves time for writers. Preparing an outline can take time, but when you're finished, you'll be able to write the rough draft of your essay more quickly than if you didn't have an outline. Here's an example of an outline. You'll notice that the first part is introduction, and then you have 3 body paragraphs. In each body paragraph, you have a topic sentence, and then you add supporting ideas to each topic sentence. And then lastly, a conclusion. Here's the process for making the outline. In a formal outline, Roman numerals can be used to represent paragraphs. Capital letters can be used to represent supporting details for the paragraphs. You'll notice that introduction, body paragraph 1, 2, and 3, and conclusion are all with Roman numerals. And then the supporting ideas are with A and B and so on. Thesis statement. To begin an outline, you need to start with your thesis statement. The thesis statement will be your guide throughout the process of writing your essay. From the sentence statement, you can begin writing the topic sentences for the body paragraphs in the outline. You can see the example below. The topic sentence for each body paragraph should support the thesis statement. The topic sentences need to agree with the main idea or subpoints in the thesis statement. However, the essay could be confusing. Topic sentences. Here is a thesis statement. It discusses a job interview, and then it states there are 3 good reasons to follow with a job interview. You need to dress properly, you need to answer interview questions thoroughly, and you need to ask good questions at the end of the interview. Each part is then broken down into topic sentence paragraphs, and then they're given strong topic sentences, and then later on, you put in supporting details. Under the topic sentence for each paragraph, list some of the supporting details. For example, ideas about what to include in the paragraph would be for the dressing material, would be proper attire, dark clothing, make sure that everything's appropriate, not overly dressed up. That way, you can give different examples for proper attire for an interview. Let's expand the idea further. Topic sentence. The way you dress can have a big impact on an interview panel's first impressions of you. And then here's some supporting details. You should wear dark suits. Conservative dress. Don't wear too many things into the interview. And hair and nails should be clean and neat. All of these can be into one strong paragraph. And finally, here's an example outline. You'll see that the thesis statement is very strong and gives different examples to identify that the thesis statement is correct. Each example is then followed with different topic sentences for each body paragraph. And finally, there is conclusion. Don't underestimate the importance of a good interview. This example outline can be downloaded on the right-hand side of this screen. If you need additional support, please feel free to continue on with the sessions that we have available. Thank you.